Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can train ChatGPT to fit your needs. Obviously in this video I will teach you with an example, and in the last of this video I will give you some valuable prompts so you can use those prompts to train the ChatGPT for different scenarios, and obviously those prompts will help you to understand that how actually we can train ChatGPT to fit our specific needs. Without any delay, let's start. So training ChatGPT can be used for simulating dialogues and potentially tending to customers as a customer service representative, even for a niche scenarios like a fake car mechanic company that invents flying car technologies. However, there is no guarantee that ChatGPT will always provide correct information, so results should be double checked if necessary. In this demo video we will explore how ChatGPT can be trained as a customer service representative for a fictional car mechanic company that invents flying car technologies. We will simulate a conversation between ChatGPT and a customer interested in applying this technology to their minivan. So now I will write here a demo prompt like, you are the customer representative of a car mechanic that invents technologies for flying cars. Simulate a conversation between you and a customer who wonders how the technology can be applied to minivan. Let me press enter, and basically our ChatGPT is now customer service representative. So you can see customer, hello there, I heard your mechanic shop is working on some cutting edge flying car technology. I am intrigued. I have a minivan and I'm wondering how this technology could be applied to it. Can my minivan become a flying car? Mechanic, hello, I am excited to hear about your interest in our flying car technology. While the primary focus has been on developing flying cars, the technology can indeed be adopted for minivans as well. Imagine the convenience of turning your family minivan into a flying vehicle. So obviously this is a fake conversation, because currently we know that flying car technology is not at this level that they can be applied on a minivan, but still you can see that it is simulate a complete conversation between the customer and the representative. Obviously you can use this conversation to train your real-time representatives, and for example you have a company who are providing IT services or whichever real-time services, and you have a representative available there, so you can train them that how to actually communicate with their customers by using ChatGPT, because now we have trained ChatGPT to act like a customer service representative of a flying car mechanic company. Obviously you can use your real-time scenario. So obviously I'm not going to read all of this conversation, but let me type here another thing. The price to equip a minivan with flying technology is actually $10. Get back to the customer announcing this great offer. Let me press enter, and now you can see that, hello again, I have some exciting news for you. After careful consideration, we are thrilled to announce a special offer for equipping your minivan with our flying car technology. The cost for this incredible upgrade is $10. Obviously the customer, where did you say $10? That sounds almost too good to be true. Are there any hidden cost or conditions? So next you can see that the conversation go like you can see that. So obviously there can be many scenarios, and maybe whichever company you have and whichever scenario you have while talking to your customers, you can train ChatGPT to simulate that specific conversation. Obviously this can give you an idea that how you can actually communicate in a better way with the customer. Obviously the ChatGPT's results are not 100% corrected, so it is necessary to double check the results before implementing them in your real-time business. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, but the second part of this video is left. I will say you goodbye, but you can watch this video till the end to see our slides about different prompts that you can use to train ChatGPT for your personal needs. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.